Hi there. Contributions of Auguste Comte to the subject sociology is the topic that we will deal in this video. Traditionally, Auguste Comte is considered as the father of sociology. He was the first person to coin the term sociology in his famous work Positive Philosophy in the year 1839. He laid the foundation of sociology. Major contributions of Auguste Comte to the subject sociology are positivism, law of three stages, classification of sciences, social statics and social dynamics. So let's look into those contributions in detail. First, we will deal with the contribution positivism, which means it is also known as a positive philosophy, which means it's a philosophy of science. Positivism denotes any sociological approach which operates on the general assumption that the methods of physical sciences can be carried over into the social sciences. Positivism means studying society or having social thought in a scientific manner by using the methods of physical sciences, like the methods like observation, comparison, experiment, measurements, etc. So according to Auguste Comte, scientific knowledge is the only true knowledge. So he says that the social world or the social science should be studied scientifically. The scientific study can be conducted by using the methods of physical sciences like observation, comparison, experiment, measurements, etc. So that process is known as positivism. Next slide shows the nature of Comtean positivism. The first nature is that positivism is a doctrine. Auguste Comte saw positivism as a doctrine, as a way of thinking. It is a way of thinking based on the assumption that it is possible to observe social life and establish reliable, valid knowledge about how it works. Positivism states that knowledge can be derived only from sensory experiences. Here, sensory experiences means observation. Observing social life in a particular society and collecting knowledge based on that observation. That is one of the nature of positivism. The second nature of positivism is positivism as a method. So method means scientific method. Positivism uses scientific method to study the social world, or it uses the scientific method to understand society and its changes. But sociology is less experimental than the physical sciences. Because sociology deals with human behavior and human mind, it will be difficult to do experiments in all situations. As already mentioned, positivism uses scientific method. The major method being used is observation, and through observation, data are collected. So sociology depends on careful observation, usually based on statistical measures. So let's move on with the second contribution of Auguste Comte, law of three stages. Law of three stages is related to human thought. It analyzes the types of human thinking. Auguste Comte analyzed the human thought in connection with development of the society. Comte believed that each field of knowledge passes through three periods of growth. The first stage is theological or fictitious stage. The second stage is metaphysical or abstract stage, and the third one is positive or scientific stage. So we can deal these three stages in detail. The first stage, the theological or fictitious stage. The stage is again divided into three forms. First one is fetishism. It is a stage where people believe in all kinds of spirits or supernatural beings live. In this stage, there is no priesthood and gods are residing in fixed objects. For example, rock, tree, plant, sun, etc. The second form under theological stage is polytheism. People started believing in several gods. They created the class of a priest to get the goodwill and blessings from the god. The third form is monotheism. It means the presence of too many gods created mental contradictions. Hence, they arranged the gods in the form of hierarchy. Finally, they developed the idea of one God. So this stage, the theological stage, is a stage where there is religion without science. There is existence of religion, but there is no existence of science. Religion without science. The second stage is metaphysical stage. Here, rationalism started growing instead of imagination. Rationalism states that God does not stand directly behind every phenomenon. People started to do reasoning. Auguste Comte says that during this stage, reasoning helped man to find out some order in the natural world. It is a stage where there is religion with science. The third stage is positive stage. It represents the scientific way of thinking. Comte developed his concept of positivism during this stage. It is a stage where there is science without religion. Comte not only identified 3 stages in the development of human thinking, but also connected these 3 stages with the development of the society. Comte declared that the first stage, theological stage, leads to a military society. Because here God is the head, or the God is considered as the mighty warrior, he is considered as the king, and human beings as the military associations. So human beings hardly questioned or challenged the divine sanction. Metaphysical stage produces a legal society. Society becomes legalistic, formal, and structural. Positive stage produces an industrial society. The scientific knowledge is used for the production of material invention. The natural resources are used for the human's benefits. Hence, it is an industrial society. The next contribution is the classification of sciences. Auguste Comte says that the scientific knowledge passes through different stages of development, but the rate of development is not the same. Hence, he provided a hierarchy of sciences. Mathematics occupies the first place in the hierarchy of the sciences. Comte considered mathematics as the basic tool of the mind. Then he placed astronomy, which is followed by physics, chemistry, biology, and finally sociology. He placed sociology as the latest and greatest of the group. Each science depends for its emergence on the prior one. For example, astronomy is dependent on mathematics for its emergence. Likewise, each science is dependent for its emergence on the prior one. Complexity increases from mathematics to sociology. Sociology is highly complicated because it deals with wide society, human behaviors, different kinds of human minds. As well as the generality decreases from sociology to mathematics. Maths is a particularizing science and sociology is a generalizing science. The last contribution which we are going to discuss is social statics and social dynamics. Social statics means it is the study when society is in equilibrium. It focuses on how order is maintained in the society. It is concerned with the ways in which the parts of a social system interact with one another. It deals with the major institutions of society such as family, economy, education, and so on. The second one is social dynamics. It means it studies the evolution, which is a slow and steady process. It focuses on how society changes over time. So Auguste Comte contributed these 2 concepts to the subject sociology. Social statics deals with the balanced stage or the stable stage of society, and social dynamics studies the evolution and change in society. So let's summarize the contributions of Auguste Comte to the subject sociology. Comte gave sociology its name and laid its foundation. Comte focused on positive approach, objectivity and scientific attitude contributed to the progress of social sciences in general. Through law of 3 stages, Comte clearly established the close association between different stages of human thought, the intellectual evolution and social progress, the development of the society. Classification of sciences shows that sociology as a subject depends heavily on the achievements of other sciences. Comte divided the study of sociology into two broad areas, social statics and social dynamics. Social statics deals with social structure and functions, and social dynamics deals with social change and progress. Comte argued that sociology is an applied science. It is not only a pure science, it is also an applied science, where the knowledge of sociology is used in other fields or it is applied in other fields like social work, social welfare, etc. Comte also contributed to the development of the theoretical sociology. Comte upheld the moral order in the society. Positive Philosophy and Positive Polity are the famous book of Comte, which contributed heavily to the subject sociology. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.